So lesson 7, we're starting with number 40. We are reading on the D string. We have open D, first finger E, second finger F, third finger G, and then fourth finger A. Now, in this book, she has the idea that you know the concept of how to read the music. You read on the A string, on the E string. Now you should be able to put 2 and 2 together for the D string. But it takes a lot of practice because we only have a few of these. So please use other resources. I use a ton of resources for my students to make sure that they're very confident to read on each string. And I feel that G string is neglected the most when it comes to violins. For violas and cellos, it's the C string because they're like, hey, you did it for the other few, figure it out. And so I find it a little bit harsh, and I wish there was a little bit more practice, but spend a little bit of extra time with it and you'll be all right. So number 40, we're just going up and down the D string with the first 3 fingers. So open D, E, F, G. So let's read number 40 first. Ready, go. D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D. D, E, F, G, G. Rest, rest. Good. Now let's pluck it. 1, 2, ready, go. D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D. D, E, F, G, G. Rest, rest. Good. Now let's do the bow. 1, 2, ready, go.